The given function is f of x equal to 1 over 1 plus e raised to the power minus x. We need to find derivative of this f of x. Let's come to the solution. So what you have to do, find the derivative of f of x. The f of x is 1 over 1 plus e raised to the power minus x. What is the derivative of x raised to the power n value? N times x raised to the power n minus 1, isn't it? So let's apply this formula here. 1 over 1 plus e raised to the power of x, it is in the form of 1 over a. We can write this as a raised to the power of minus 1, isn't it? Same like that, we can write this as 1 plus e raised to the power of minus x whole raised to the power of minus 1. So now it is in the form of x raised to the power of n. Now we can apply this formula, n times x raised to the power n minus 1. So here our n is minus 1 times x raised to the power of, our x is 1 plus e raised to the power of minus x whole raised to the power of n minus 1. Our n value is minus 1 minus 1, which gives minus 2. And still you need to do here one more time e raised to the power of minus x. So that is already in the exponent we have a minus, that's why it becomes minus times e raised to the power of minus x. Here minus and here minus, minus term minus which gives plus. That's right, only plus 1 times e raised to the power of minus x, which gives only e raised to the power of minus x times 1 plus e raised to the power of minus x whole raised to the power of minus 2 and plus some constant. Now simplify this part. So what we have, e raised to the power of minus x. This 1 plus e raised to minus x whole raised to the power of minus 2. It is in the form of a raised to the power of minus 2. We can write this as 1 over a raised to the power of 2. Isn't it? Same like that, we can write this as 1 over 1 plus e raised to the power of minus x whole raised to the power of 2. So what we left e raised to the power of minus x over 1 plus e raised to the power of minus x whole raised to the power of 2. This we got. Let's simplify a little bit more. Denominator we have 1 plus e raised to the power of minus x whole raised to the power of 2. We can simply write this as 1 plus e raised to the power of minus x times 1 plus e raised to the power of minus x. Now at numerator, if you add plus 1 and subtract minus 1, it won't change the numerator, isn't it? We can write this as 1 plus e raised to the power of minus x, that is the two terms, over, you can use one term for the 1 plus e raised to the power of minus x. We have a minus, so let's use minus 1 over 1 plus e raised to the power of minus x. So I divide into two parts. Here we can get cancelled. So it turns into only 1 minus 1 over 1 plus e raised to the power of minus x. 1 minus this 1 over 1 plus e raised to the power of x. Do you observe this? This is our given f of x function. So simply we can write this as f of x. So the derivative of 1 over 1 plus e raised to the power of minus x, the value is 1 minus f of x only. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.